This is the beauty of trading. In the morning I told you to sell at 1900 and expect every $5 till 1880 a good resistance, and hence you have to put a trailing stop loss. See, precisely reversing from 1885. At the same time on the upside it has gone close to 1920, and I told you there are going to be good swings also. Likewise, see, oil interestingly has breached first time below 70 levels, and this is happening after a long while. And I told you also in the morning analysis that 10 hours back with the Asia session that below 72 we are looking forward to a good crash, good drop. I hope you all profited. Now what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily targets and analysis twice a day. And this is the second update. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the level. Now see, on the hourly chart, see, first of all, gold had a resistance at 1915. It has precisely dropped from there till 1885, also a pivot level and was a good support level, and it has bounced back from the same levels precisely now, trying to aim upwards still towards 1924, 1925 zone, and beyond that we may see further rise. And those who recall, I had told you beyond that 1930, 1950 levels are the next targets. But right now it is the third straight green candle trying to trade bullish here. If you see the stochastic, this has come to overbought zone, and look at the MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over. This is looking upwards, and this crossover is happening after trading in a sell zone for a little while, and you can see here it has dropped slightly, but the recovery has been very strong. The RSI has also come back to near to overbought levels again. But look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, after dropping here, this is a sharp recovery. First green candle, possibly we may see follow-up candles from here, but you have to be watchful till 1924 to 25 zone. Stochastic is seen rising, looking upwards. MACD here trying to converge, but see, it has not yet crossed over. That is one part you should look at. RSI is also seen recovering and looking upwards. On the 3-hour charts too, see one green candle, and see, look at the movement here, greener candle, then sideways movement, failing to break below these lows there, higher lows. And see, this time it can also give you higher highs. It means 1924-30 levels also can be achieved. At the same time, the second green candle I will wait for, because see, this is quite possible that it may again give you sideways movement and drop like this. There is a possibility for this also, and hence we have to be extremely cautious and watchful. Stochastic is seen rising, the MACD trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over, not yet bullish, probably a little conversion, and then it can again drop. RSI looking upwards, showing bullishness. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, is single candle and sharp reversal. Achieve the lows, achieve the highs in the single candle here. Now definitely second candle you have to wait for, you have to watch out for how the next candle behaves here. See, the stochastic is looking up here, the MACD again trying to cross over for a bullish move. I will wait and look forward to if it crosses over, because see, it is already trading at a little higher levels, and hence we have to be watchful here. It may converge and then again try to diverge. Till the time it fails to cross over, we have to be watchful and cautious. RSI here again trying to enter into overbought zone. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, first thing is lower highs were seen in last 2 candles, and this time it is breached. It is trying to trade bullish. There is a possibility that it can, now once the resistance is broken, because see, this is broken with a very strong bullish move on the upside, and hence it can try to trade bullish, achieve 1924-25. in fact 1930 levels also can be expected. But at the same time, one must note that it is overbought, extremely overbought on the 4 daily charts. Also, if you look at the MACD, this is crossed over, this is trading with divergence, this is looking up, and it has still got the opportunity for it to trade bullish, because see, at this point I had told you that this crossover is happening after a long while and it can sustain the bullishness. Precisely that has happened. RSI again trying to look upwards and show some little strength. Now, only sell entry I will recommend is below 1905 levels, 1904 levels. In between this, at below these levels, you can take a sell entry, but then again 1900, 1895, again the same $5 trailing stop loss you have to put, and then you have to trail your stop losses, keep closing, keep booking profits, and keep re-entering. That is what you can do in order to maximize your capital, because see, we have seen good swings and we would not like to lose our profits what we have maintained, and hence every $5 put a trailing stop loss. So sell at 1904, 1905, and then expect little bearishness below those levels. That is the first part. Next part, if you recall, since my weekly analysis, I had told several times 1910, 1920, very stronger resistance. Precisely it has gone close to 1920. So now only I will recommend you to buy above 1920 levels. If you see it trading above 1920, you can buy. Expect 24, 25 and then 31, 32 levels. Beyond that, further bullishness might take it till towards 1950 also. Yes, you have to be watchful of 1915 and 1916. Rather, I will say those who want to stay long can stay long above 1916 levels, but then be careful till 1920, and you have to strictly put a stop loss at cost at 1915, 1916 levels itself. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 20th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look, what did I say for oil? See, hourly charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And in morning also I told you only buy entries above 73. It has respected those levels very beautifully, and since then has dropped, and I told you below 72 you can stay short and then expect a sharper drop. It has breached below 70 for the first time after very long time. And right now it is trying to retrace. Again 73 is the level you have to watch for the day, only above which you can expect little retracement on the upside. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, and it has also seen further lower levels, and hence a little recovery has to be there. RSI has also come to oversold zone, and hence a little recovery cannot be denied. Look at the 2-hour charts, a sharp retracement and a sharp breakout. Also, if you align these drops here, it has precisely breached this channel, and on the upside, as we saw, it is still trying to trade in this. So this is a broader channel. On the upside, 75 is the level beyond which further confirmation of a reversal can be expected. The stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD again trying to diverge, but see, it has come back to extremely lower levels at -100 and possibly may show a little recovery. RSI has come to oversold levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see, one must observe that the lows there, and this time it has breached the previous lows, which is a slight bearish indication. Also, it is trading below the long-term channel, which is also a bearish indication as of now. However, it has to recover, as we have seen it trading in near-term time frames oversold, and hence a little recovery cannot be denied. But look at the 3-hour chart, see, beautifully aligned in this channel. Now only sell entry is below 70. If you see it trading below 70, stay short further, for not for this week but also for next week, and you can expect 67, 65. Also look at this, see, after retracement, this is the first red candle, and precisely it has reversed from close to 73 levels. So good resistance there it has seen, and now it is trying to recover a bit. So till 73 at least you have to be watchful and cautious. It may show you slight recovery till then. See, the stochastic has reversed and it is trying to drop again. The MACD divergent and bearish looking down. The RSI has also come to oversold zone, and likewise on the 4-hour charts, see, drop, retracement, drop, and how beautifully it has formed this pattern, you can see. But always remember, whenever it shows a drop, it tries to trade sideways or recover a bit. On the upside, 72 levels is something it may try to achieve again, and till the time it stays above 70, possibly we can expect it to retrace a little. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent bearish looking down, and RSI is at almost at the oversold zone. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, this is the third straight bearish candle, and possibly it has achieved the bottom, still very much at 70, but yes, this time it has breached the previous lows, which is a bearish indication as of now. See, multiple times it tried to break past on the upside, failing to do so. Again has come to lower levels, but still sustaining above 70. That is important. 70 is very critical. The stochastic is at bottom. MACD again divergent, again bearish looking down. RSI is also looking down, showing loss of strength. Hence, if you see it trading below 70, you can sell again. 69, and in morning also I told you 69.2, 68 are the next targets, and the same target still remains. You can stay short below 70 and 69.2, 68 levels can be expected. On the upside, you can buy at 70.8. However, remember 71.2, 71.5 and 72. These three levels you should note out for, and beyond 72, still till 73 you have to strictly put up $0.2 trailing stop loss. Let it get close. Do not worry, at least you are saving your capital, because this is a retracement trade, not a reversal trade. Till 75 this is a retracement trade, not a reversal trade. Once again I am trying to reiterate this again and again. Yes, it can potentially rise, but then 72.4 again are going to be very good resistance between 72 and 73 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with strictly with the trailing stop loss if you are looking forward to a buy. Hence buy at 70.8, expect 71.2, 71.5, 72, 72.4 and 73 are the next resistances. Take your trades accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.